how to fix the Doordash app not working. If you want to fix it, this is going to be the updated method. Open up your iPhone settings. First, you want to search for Doordash here. Click on Doordash apps. Make sure location is always turned on. And also here, make sure background app refresh is turned on and cellular data is also on. Now, once we have done this, then you can go back all the way, and we're going to use the search bar to search for iPhone, and you want to search for iPhone storage. Now here, from the list of applications, you will sort it by name, and here you just want to go down to the letter D until you find Doordash. Click on Doordash, select offload app. Once you offload the app, this button is going to become reinstall instead of offload app. You want to click on reinstall, and that should fix any issues you may experience with the Doordash app. Hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.